It's your boy DJ Ron, a mechanic, back with another video. So today I'm gonna show y'all a few little things I'm gonna be doing to the car, pretty much. Basically some upgrades to the system in there right now. See if I got it unlocked. Yes, I do. So I'm gonna show y'all. So right now, as you see, I have my TVs and the headrests in here. Plus I have a flip down. And of course I have the double DIN. And in the glove box I have a HD Roku box. And back here, here's my rear panel that I built. As you can see, two tweeters, two 6x9s. And here's my amp rack. Old school punch. Rockford Fosgate 200A. And here's the newest edition right here. So y'all can see it. 800 watts, the old Scar audio. And of course, here's my Matrix Plus that I recently added. So that's the whole board right there. So pretty much what I'm going to add to it is going to be the video system in here. So basically, like I said, I have the Roku mounted in the glove box. It's already connected to the radio, so it transmits the signal to each one of the screens. So what I'm going to do is installing these two units right here. These are part of the upgrades that I'm doing. So you can call it an upgrade, basically an add-on, pretty much. So this is a TV tuner I had sitting on the side. Pretty much, look, haven't even took none of the cables out of nothing. Still. So that's the tuner. And reason why I'm gonna add this to it, simply because look, AV1, AV2, and then you got the AV out, which this part here goes into the input of your radio. And the best thing about it, with these two additional inputs right here, I could still use my streaming box, run it to this right here, and this input right here, I had the option of, wow, say like add a game system, you know, another DVD, probably, maybe another streaming box. I mean, I have options with that, so that's what I like about that. Then plus I'd be able to have live TV with that, so that's gonna be pretty cool. And here's the antenna right here. And also, I'm changing out my crossover. So this is my new one right here. So yep, it's definitely time for an upgrade, because my old one is kind of messing up a little bit with the what you call it, this little multiplier, little button on my old one. It's kind of, staticky a little bit. I had to like play with it just to make sure everything working right. So I'm like, it's time for that to go. So these are my new add-ons or upgrades, however you want to call it, that's going to be added to the car. Yes, new crossover and a new tuner. So I'm going to have plenty of video options in the car now, once I get it all installed. And here's the antenna. So yep, I'm going to show y'all the model number. It is right there, just in case if y'all want to get one. I'll look it up. And I don't know if a lot of y'all still into the TV tuners, whatever, by any chance. But if so, here's this model number right here. So I like it because, hey, just in case, think about it. You park your car in a certain little spot, you want to watch some live TV, there you go. Catch your local channels. All right, if you got the option like me, if you have your streaming box, you could turn that on, turn on matter of fact, make sure you have a good hotspot, a Wi-Fi hotspot in order for the stream. Because if you don't, you're not going to get good quality on that. So that's the options with that. But yes, these are what I'm adding on right here. TV tuner and a new crossover. Can't wait, y'all. Can't wait. So y'all seen the system what I'm working with. So hey, if you like the car audio, hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, and I'd like to thank all my subscribers out there. Thank y'all very much for supporting me. Appreciate that very much. So hey, until then, to the next audio video, hey, I'm out.